Everyone looks so pretty. The weather is... Look at that. Some pretty blue skies. My phone brightness is on 100%, but I can't see y'all at all. So if the angle is weird, y'all know why, okay?
And when we review the footage, right?
Yeah.
Muka kita tak.
But it's a nice weather.
I wonder if you hear me, 'cause I've been crying out. I wanna have you near me again. I wanna have you close. I feel like I am falling.
Ada binatang. Giving me the princess in the palace vibe.
Belong to you.
Phone is at 20% with no portable charger.
My phone 20%.
I'm gonna go back now to the rental studio to return the hanbok. One last view. The sky looks so nice. It's like really blue and like the clouds. We are done. Now I'm back to casual. Back to casual.
다행일지 몰라 사실 말야.
When the coffee is ready, the bell will ring. You can switch it off. Thank you so much.
갑자기
A little break.
Destroyed. Never give. Macam mati-mati tau nak pakai forex wheel.
Aku takut dia bangun. Today has more footage than the last time. Literally the last 3 days, right, there's very many footage. Bro, don't be murdering the profile.
So unglam bro.
Sampai tak aku makin tengok ni, kopi makin dekat. The atmosphere is like so nice. It's cute, no? I'm getting this. I'm like starting a thing where every time I visit a country, I'm gonna get like a magnet. Yeah, it's the monster. Forgot the name. Dari Poppy's Playtime.
보여줄 때인 것 같아.
Yes, I can use it. I'm wearing okay, it's nice.
The cream is very
No, I'm sniffing everything. This one smells like clean soap. I think the rest this one is like this one is okay, but it's like the one that she gave that third one. Like, it's nice. This is really
알려주고 싶어서 이제
And we have 2 colors of cards. Red one or purple one? Oh, this. Okay. And can I put them together? Thank you.
Thank you. So that was friend here. The weird thing is that I went here last year. I took a picture outside the store, but I didn't know it was a perfume shop. Still don't know what to get from my mom.
Where are you going?
I don't know. Because aku ikut kau jalan.
I want to go to the shopping baju-baju. See, masih shopping.
괜히 쓸쓸해지는 건지.
I think today is a more comfortable day for me to vlog. Just trying to find some clothes for her. The problem is, I went here before, but I can't remember if they were actually like. So we're gonna like explore.
사랑인 것 같아.
thing that I find it cool is that even at this late timing, there are still people wearing hanbok. It's just really cute. Like, we were doing it for about 3 hours, I think. But everyone looks so pretty. Maybe I should continue do this hairstyle. Thanks to the stylist. Yeah, like now I know what to do with my hair. The fact that we literally went to the same place we went for lunch. And it's the same waiter. Dinner time. Okay, hanbok is sumipang. We literally went dinner at the same place and I swear to God, the guy was like, I just came in and I was like, hello.
이건 사랑 맞아.